Good stretch. Open there, right there.
That was good.
Go the other way. Already. Good. On your back, honey. Lift your chin a little bit. Yep.
Ooh, that was good.
There. As your body trusts me, let's go. Perfect. Wow.
Good.
Yeah.
I feel that. I feel that.
Very good. Okay. So I think we'll probably just do the same that we did last time. Maybe I'll do some more soft tissue work up in this area. Help release some of that tension through there. But good. Okay, let me see. Feet together. Let me check your balance.
Here?
Yeah. Hold your arm strong. Don't let me push this down. Hold that. Hold. Yes, hold that. Did you see how you wanted to move your left leg?
Mm-hmm. A little bit.
Yeah. So you have a little bit of balance again today. We were off on the left. Okay. So let's get to work. You're going to lie down.
Okay. Do you want that I put the shoes?
Sure. Yeah, we can take those off today. Yeah, because I know. And your accent is so beautiful. Where are you from again?
Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Stomach, yes. I think every Venezuelan I ever met was always very glamorous.
Well, we have like so much crowns and beauty, faces.
Yes, yes. Good, I can hear it in your accent. It's very classy. I don't know.
I trust in you.
Well, we'll just get to work and keep you going. Walking in those heels. And doing your regular life.
Mm-hmm.
Super mom, yeah?
Yeah.
Aww.
Yeah, need to be healthy for her. For sure.
Okay, breathe in and out. Very good. Breathe in and out. Good. Today they're real quiet, but definitely good movement.
But I feel it.
Mm-hmm.
I could feel it.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. The pressure, right?
Mm-hmm. Very light pressure. Yeah, we definitely have some tension here. There we go. Good. So we definitely don't want to do this when you're on camera because you get red marks. But I think you'll notice a difference with how that feels in the next week or so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna use brace or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So that's good.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Does this side hurt more than the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For some reason.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I don't know. We got pretty good release on both sides, but I can feel you pulling away from me on this side, so I can tell. I can tell
This
it's,
one has
yeah.
more pain.
Yeah. Well, we all have one side that we carry more on, so I know, but it'll be done. It'll be done in just a minute. Yeah, you're doing good. Almost done.
Yeah, especially that side
Mm-hmm.
has been pain. I've been having a pretty pain over there.
Yeah, I can feel that. Okay, big breath. Good. So we are getting Tabata ready for, what is it?
Miss Mundo Latina.
Miss Mundo Latina
USA.
USA.
Which is like Miss World Latina USA 2026.
And that's when?
In June.
June. Okay.
In Orlando, Florida.
So we have a few months to get her ready.
And also I'm losing more and more weight.
You're okay.
Yeah, which is gonna help me.
Yeah. Is it hard to lose weight?
No, not right now.
Okay.
Not right now.
Okay,
Because
good.
I'm having great habits now.
Lie on your left side. You have a great what?
Creating good habits that I've been
Habits.
creating.
Habits. Yes, yes. Come towards me. Come closer. Yeah, good.
Proceed.
Yes. Okay, well, we're going to keep working on getting you feeling good. And then we'll look and see if there's any systems that we need to support, whether it's thyroid or adrenals, or liver, because all of those things can make weight loss hard, and I don't want you to lose unhealthy, so I can help you that too. Okay, breathe in and out. Good stretch. Open there, right there.
That was good.
Go the other way.
Oh my goodness, that was good. I was waiting for that one because I felt it.
Me too. Okay. Good. Perfect. Right in here too. Nice. Deep breath in. And out. Already. Good. On your back, honey. Really good.
That was good.
Mm-hmm.
Little more up.
Nope, you're fine. Right there. Lift your chin a little bit. Yep.
Ooh, that was good. I didn't expect that, but that was good because I felt it.
Didn't we do that last time?
I don't think so.
That was a
No, I
lot.
don't remember. Yeah.
That was good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Every time we'll find more and more. There. As your body trusts me, let's go. Perfect. Wow.
Yeah, we didn't do that last time. That's one of those
Or
things.
relax your head down. There we go. Just a little stretch. I'm not pulling your hair, am I? There. Good. Breathe. Breathe. Good job. Relax your head. Heavy head. Yep, heavy, heavy, heavy. No more cracking, just a little bit of work right here. Your head. There we go. Good. Okay, heavy head. Let that drop. Yes, good. Yeah, right there. You feel that?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah,
Good.
that was great. I feel like that's what I was feeling.
Yes, I think you're right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I know it.
Amazing.
Good, heavy foot. Let me feel that. Good. Open that hip. Very good. Grab a tissue. I have lotion on my fingers. Ankle, heavy foot. Ooh,
That was good.
yeah.
I feel that. I felt that.
Very good. Okay, so we're working on your hips. Did you do your hip exercises?
I
Did
haven't.
Did I give you any? Feel how you can go out really well, but when I come across, it gets pinchy, doesn't it?
Yes. For some reason.
Come towards me with your hips just this way. Just scoot towards me. Perfect. Yep. And use the table.
Yeah, it's a big pinch there.
Mm-hmm. Let's check this side. Again, same.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Why did that happen?
It's a good question, but you have some, just it's not moving as well. And I find that if someone is having low back pain, you often have restricted hip motion.
Yeah.
One because of the other sometimes. I don't know which came first, but
Yeah.
yeah. Good. Good job.
Yeah. It was great.
Yeah, we'll keep working on that. It's not much more range of motion, but it's softer. It's not as hard. Okay, we're gonna do the backpack finisher move. So sit, face that way. And I'm gonna see if there's anything left we need to get. Okay, so put your hands, oh yeah, on your back of your head.
Right
Like, yes, around. Scoot back towards me. Yeah, good. And then I'm going to come around. Let me see if there's anything left in here. So you're just going to kind of take a nice deep breath in and out. Breathe in and out. Did we get more?
A little bit.
A little bit.
I felt
We'll work on it.
Great. It was great.
Yeah, just trying to right here. But, oh, you got, so this is red in here from where I did work.
Yeah.
It should go away.
Yeah.
That's
it's okay.
just in case anyone asks you.
No worries. No, because I don't gonna wear no dress this week. So,
Okay, good.
so that's gonna be good.
Okay, stand up. How does that feel?
No, it feels amazing, especially this side, this part of my my neck that we did that last time. I think that's why I told you like I had like a little pain over there.
Come on over here.
Yeah.
Let me make sure, because you were a little
You're a miracle.
Aw.
She's a miracle on person.
How do you say miracle in Spanish?
Milagro. Eres un
Milagro?
milagro de persona.
What is it?
Milagro de persona.
Milagro
De
de
persona.
persona.
Of course.
Stop laughing. Feet together. Hold your arm here. Much stronger, right?
Yes.
So let's just make sure I got all of the neck and upper back. So hold here, look to the right all the way, look to the left all the way. Good. Back to the middle, tip your ear the other way, and look up. Look up all the way, and look down. Very good.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Oh my God. She's the best.
Okay.
The best.
Thanks for being here. She'll be back because we'll be working on her leading up to her big. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Hasta.
Hasta
Hasta
luego.
luego.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.